everyone. Welcome to day 1 of our English learning journey. Today we are going to start with something very simple but super important, introducing yourself in English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to introduce yourself clearly and naturally. Before we start, let's talk about why introductions are so important when you meet new people. The first thing they notice is how you introduce yourself. A good introduction shows confidence. Even if you're shy, learning this skill will make meeting new people much easier. When introducing yourself, there are 4 main parts. 1, your name. Hi, my name is Harry. 2, where you're from. I'm from India. 3, your age or job. Optional. I'm 20 years old. Or I'm a student. 4, hobbies or interests. I love reading and traveling. Putting it all together. Hi, my name is Harry. I'm from India. I'm a student and I love learning English and making videos. Keep it short and simple at first. Here are some mistakes beginners often make. 1, speaking too fast. 2, forgetting to smile. 3, using long, complicated sentences. Instead, speak slowly. Smile and use simple sentences. Confidence matters more than perfection. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is your name. I'm from city country. I'm age job. I love hobby. Let's try a full introduction together. Hi, my name is Harry. I'm from India. I'm a student and I love learning English and making videos. Practice this several times until it feels natural. You can make your introduction more interesting by adding small details. Favorite food, I love pizza. Favorite sport, I enjoy football. Goal or dream, I want to become fluent in English. Full example, hi, my name is Harry. I'm from India. I'm a student. I love learning English, making videos, and my dream is to become fluent in English. Quick tips to sound confident. 1, speak slowly and clearly. 2, smile while speaking. 3, practice in front of a mirror or record yourself. 4, don't worry about mistakes. Confidence grows with practice. That's it for day 1. Start practicing your introduction every day. Write it down, say it aloud, and share it in the comments. Below, tomorrow we'll learn how to introduce others and start a simple conversation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in day 2.